What is the y-intercept of the line graphed on the grid? Okay, so first off, what we need to make sure we understand is what they're asking us for. They want us to go ahead and find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. Now here it looks like it's crossing between 6 and 5, but since I have the ordered pairs, I want to be exactly sure. So since I have the ordered pairs, what we'll do is we'll do LNS and DNS, so we could find the equation and then get the y-intercept from that. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll go to our calculator. Okay, we're doing LNS, lists and spreadsheets. So first column, we have to make sure we label that as X, and then on the second column, we are going to label that as Y. Alright, so now we're ready to enter our numbers. Our first value for X was -2. The next X was 6. Okay, now we'll go ahead and fill in our Y values. When X was -2, the Y was 7, and when X was 6, our Y was 1. Okay, so I have my equation right there. I have my 2 points right there. I'm going to do Control Doc so I can get my my equation. So Control Doc. I want to go to DNS, Data and Statistics. Here are my 2 points. I'm going to label this one as my X value, my X-axis. X goes across. This axis will be your Y-axis. Y goes up and down. I have my 2 points. To get my equation, I'm going to do Menu, Analyze, Regression, and since it is a straight line, we're going to do Show Linear MX plus B. So there's my equation. Y is equal to -0.75x plus 5.5. Okay, so let's come back over here. Let's write our answer down. Our equation was y is equal to -0.75x plus 5.5. So from this equation, the first value is going to be our slope. The number by itself at the back, that is going to be our y-intercept. They want the y-intercept, so our answer is 5.5. Now here, since I do have a decimal, I can put my decimal wherever I want. I always like to go to the very edge, so this is my decimal point right there. I have to make sure I bubble in that decimal, and then I'm going to wrap my 5s around it. So my answer for my y-intercept is 5.5. That is the correct answer, 5.5.